Alright, end of the road. There is a tower there still, but the tower...
Nice clean little creek. See if I can keep my feet from going in.
Alright, so here's the deal. This road's been blocked off, even though it shows another road going to the tower. We're on this road, so I'm not sure. We throw the drone up and didn't see anything. So we're thinking with all this activity in here that they've torn the tower down. So I just want to try and confirm that it's not here anymore. Alright, end of the road. There is a tower there still, but the cupola's gone. Just another flat top. So I confirmed that much. Now we're just gonna have to see if there's another way to get to this thing. Alright. We're heading up another little road. Hopefully we can get closer from the opposite side. Another attempt to get to the burnt tower, what's left of it anyways, just to see what's going on. The cupola's gone, as I could see from the four-wheeler. I could take the four-wheeler up here, but you know, this is more fun. So we'll see where we can get from here. Alright, just came from there. This has turned into an ATV trail now, so we're going to take the ATV. It looks like it's well used, so probably goes right to the tower. The road continues that way, so we get on the bike. Somebody's kept this trail open. Looking good. There's where we start climbing. It's definitely the old road up. Nasty. hit a logging area. Oh, there's the tower over there. Oh, open this thing. Oh. Hoping this road loops around and they haven't destroyed it. Well, they went across it. They didn't drop any trees on it. Good sign. Yeah, they left the old road alone. Just logged right up to the edge, which is kind of nice. We're almost there. Interesting trail that way. Cleared area. This might be where the cabin was, but we'll take a walk around. I see some stuff in the bush over there. A set of stairs there, so check it out. Okay, let's check out this stuff in the bush first. Kind of looks interesting. Yeah, it looks like a cabin. This might be the cupola or a cabin. This is the cupola. Yeah, you can see the roof angles on it. So whether it blew off and landed here or what, it's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, there's the roof hole. So it blew off, I guess, from up there. That's too bad. Definitely the roof right there. The walls, the roof hatch, tin roof, just like the other one would have been. That's why we were finding tin in the bush. Yeah, this she came off all the way down. So this is, like I said before, this is the Burt Tower. Newer steel. Wow, they took off 2 sections of the ladder here.
Yeah.
Definitely ain't climbing that. They got stairs here. That's pretty cool. 1962. 1962. Well, this tower was put up, erected in 1962. It's always nice to find dates on these things. There's another footing over there, so there might have been something else going on here at one time. And there's some kind of other, I don't know if they had a antenna tower here. There's like three bolt pattern foundation here, so that floor got a big, almost looked like a big rip in it. Videos like that. A butterfly just went after it. Oh man, 2 white is out.